Okay, are you ready to look amazing for spring and then summer? I'm here with Dr. Jack Zamora with Jack Zamora Cosmetic Surgery and Aesthetics. You do it all here, Dr. Zamora, and you really can help people, if they get started right now, look amazing for spring.
Yes, it's just around the corner. You know, we have a beautiful day today, and we can do a non-invasive or an invasive treatment to get your body back to where it was before the holidays.
Yeah, you have such an incredible reputation. People turn to you for so many reasons, whether they want work with the face or body contouring. Tell me a little bit about your background.
Well, absolutely. So we've done a lot of facial work. I'm very well known for facial cosmetic surgery, and we want to include some of the newer technologies that are available throughout all of our med spas, in particular SculpSure, which is going to allow us to do some body contouring without any incisions, with very little downtime and very little discomfort.
What is it that you love about SculpSure so much? Because I know you've done one treatment yourself.
Yeah, actually, so I get to try every machine. I had Cool Sculpting in the past. It hurt. It didn't work well, and I had a little complication.
Dr. Zamora says there are just too many people having similar complications with Cool Sculpting, like this woman whose thigh ended up looking lumpy where it was outlined by the Cool Sculpting paddle. He says the SculpSure technology doesn't have these issues.
We try to pick machines, lasers, equipment that is safe, successful, and reproducible. And so this laser is giving us the results that we want, and so much that we bought a second one.
Yeah, wow. What is it that you love so much about SculpSure?
It's the lack of intervention in terms of the pain and discomfort and the technology behind it. What we do with body sculpting, with liposuction, is either ultrasound or laser energy to melt the fat and then to suction it out. And SculpSure has been able to create that same laser energy without any incisions. And so they're very simple treatments that allow us to reduce. We can have a 30% reduction in as soon as 3 weeks, but on average 8 to 12 weeks.
And is this permanent?
Yeah, it's permanent. So, well, as long as you don't get pregnant, diabetes, or one of those types of things.
Okay. So looking at this animation, would you just kind of walk us through what's happening with SculpSure?
Absolutely. The technology is such that it allows the laser energy to penetrate the skin without any burning. It's got cooling plates. The laser energy is absorbed by the fat. It's that wavelength that's perfect for the fat, same as the liposuction laser. And this fat will absorb the energy, melt, and your body will just eat away this melted fat.
So you're about to do your second treatment today, and you're going to let us sit in and kind of observe, see how it happens. How many treatments generally does it take?
You can see results with just one treatment. I'm a special patient. I had Cool Sculpting done before. I had some fat pockets that stuck around, unfortunately, and SculpSure was able to treat those fat pockets. I'm going to do a second treatment to have an even firmer appearance, and unfortunately I saw the befores and I forgot how bad that was, but yeah.
But that's in the past now,
Yeah,
right?
that's in the past now, as long as I don't get pregnant or diabetes. So unlike Cool Sculpting, where you have that suction can sometimes make people pass out. It's pretty significant. It can hurt, it can be uncomfortable, and this is easy. This is cool, comfortable, and then the laser energy kicks in. It feels a little tingly, and that's not bad.
So you did both, right?
I had Cool Sculpting done before, and it hurt, and it left less than. I was not happy with the results.
This is Dr. Zamora's abdomen after the Cool Sculpting treatment. He says it left a line or a ridge where the Cool Sculpting paddle had been placed. This is Dr. Zamora's abdomen after his first SculpSure treatment. He says he did it right after Thanksgiving and still got this flat, smooth result despite eating lots of holiday treats.
Unfortunately, I didn't follow the guidelines of not gaining the 7 pounds of chocolate weight. I haven't exercised really this year, but it works. So it still works despite. So it's not really a diet or exercise that makes the machine or the results happen. It's the laser energy itself. After this time we'll go ahead and include diet and exercise, and my guess is that we'll see an even more significant result.
So you're going to be looking amazing, not that you don't already, but even better by spring break. And if you want to look great for spring break, you've got to come here and see Dr. Zamora and his amazing team.
Great, thank you.
Hey He's so nice. I love to see, doctors who do their own techniques
they
on
try it
themselves.
out.
Dr. Zamora is giving Colorado's best viewers an incredible deal. He wants you to experience the new SculpSure, and he wants to make it affordable for you. So right now, get $500 off this safe and permanent fat reduction technology. Just send a text to get your $500 off. Text 303-BODY to 95577. And here is the number to reach Dr. Jack Zamora, Cosmetic Surgery and Aesthetics. It's 303-780-7377. He has locations around the metro area. You can also check out their website, which is jackzamoramd.com. Coming up on Colorado's